What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Wise to bKash. So, in this case, how do you do so? Well, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Wise here, and you want to go ahead and click on the send button that you see here on your homepage. Now, just in case if you don't see that, you can go to payments as well at the bottom right here and just choose or click on send. Now, from here, we want to go and choose the appropriate option. So go ahead and choose the use send option here, which in this case your currency, and you want to change the recipient gets option as well. Now, in this case, since bKash is available in Bangladesh, Taka here, let's go and choose BDT and just specify the amount that you want to send here. So for example, let's go and enter this amount and click on the check at the bottom right. Now from here, you want to go and specify a few things like what you're paying with and which date it's going to arrive. Let's go and click on add recipient. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says enter bank details. Now from here, you want to go and choose someone else, and you want to go and choose e-wallet. Now in the e-wallet section, you should see bKash. Go ahead and specify that or click on it, and you want to go and enter the full name of the account holder. Also, you could also add their email address here, and also the recipient's e-wallet number, which in this case is their number. Go ahead and click on confirm here once you've added all the details and just proceed with the actual transfer. So they might ask you to confirm your identity just in case and also confirm a few things. But once you've done that, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.